Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to improve the battery life on this device. Simply go to the settings and here you can see the option battery. Tap on this one. Now here you can see the option power saving. Simply turn on this option. If you tap on the option power saving, so here you can see some inbuilt options. When you enable the power saving, it will apply on your device. So from here also you can customize this one. Okay, you can see background network. If you enable this one, background network usage, zinging and location checking will be limited and super HDR won't be available. Choose additional limits to save battery when power saving is on. Okay, so simply if you enable the option power saving, then simply in this way we can improve the battery life on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.